Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Easy English. This channel helps you learn English easily. You will listen to slow and simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Please listen carefully. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk about waking up in the morning. This is a simple story. It is about the start of the day. In the morning, I wake up slowly. My eyes open little by little. I am still in bed. I hear my alarm. The alarm is soft. It wakes me up gently. I turn off the alarm. I stay in bed for a moment. I take a deep breath. The room is quiet. The morning is calm. I feel relaxed. I sit up in bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I look out the window. The light is soft. The sun is coming up. I feel thankful for a new day. It is a fresh morning. I get out of bed slowly. I do not hurry. I like calm mornings. I put my feet on the floor. The floor is a little cold. It helps me wake up. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with water. The water is cold and fresh. I look in the mirror. I see my sleepy face. I smile gently. I brush my teeth. I brush slowly and carefully. I feel more awake now. I take a shower. The water is warm. It feels good. After the shower, I dry my face. I put on clean clothes. I feel fresh and ready. I go back to my room. I make my bed. The room looks nice. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. I take another deep breath. Now I am fully awake. My body feels good. My mind feels clear. The morning is quiet and peaceful. This is how I wake up in the morning. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. Please listen carefully. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I hear my alarm. I hear my alarm. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. Very good. Keep practicing. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. If you like this lesson, please subscribe. See you in the next lesson.